Welcome. In front of me I have Metro Wireless Earphones Lite, and I'm going to show you how we can pair them to the Apple Watch Series 3. So at the first, let's grab the watch, and let me just focus the zoom camera. Okay, never mind, just open your Apple Watch with the passcode, like in my case, then go for the menu, tap on the settings icon, go for the Bluetooth, and right now just click and hold this button, and after a few seconds we have to open the charging case, and let's do this right now. And as you can see here, we got our Metro Wireless Earphones Lite, so just simply tap on them to pair with our Apple Watch Series 3. Okay, let's click OK and tap on it one more time and click on the icon for the few seconds. Now just release the button, and as you can see right now, our earphones from the Xiaomi are connected to the Apple Watch Series 3. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!